Anybody can tell me why this picture is on the front of your book?
有没有谁能够举手告诉我，为什么现在要用到这张图？
For 100 baht.
100越南盾，
$3.
相当于3美金。
Why is
泰铢哦，100泰铢 ，OK。
What's the name on the front of your book?
就是这本书啊，这个名字是什么？
Yeah, how to make your mind a beautiful place.
就如何让你的打造一个美丽的心地。
Okay, because we are going to study how to make your mind more beautiful.
因为我们要去学习如何让你的心变得更美。
Then I chose this picture.
然后我就选了这一张图。
This is your mind,
这就是你的意识，
especially the water.
尤其是那一片湖，那片水。
And the birds are small thoughts going to your mind.
小鸟呢，就象征的就是经过你念头、意识的一些念头，小
But
念
the
头。
mind is very beautiful.
然后意识是非常美的，
Okay, that's why we are here.
这就是为什么我们要来到这里，
That's what we are doing.
这就是我们在做的事情。
Okay, next.